kitchen.
We haven't even started yet and I'm dying. Okay, so today we're making hats. My best bud, Caroline, has invited me for brunch with a bunch of my girlfriends tomorrow. And she said to dress fancy. So I'm making a hat. We bought this for $8. So let's see where it takes us. Colton, do you want to see the hat that you're decorating? We have lots of supplies. Where's your hat, Bubba?
I know.
My allergies are so bad right now. Look at my eyes. All right, let's do this.
Have some Legos.
Colton, you ready to get scarred for life? I've never worn this. I'm gonna use this for my hat. Is that okay?
Gross.
Wait. So the glue stick won't go far, so I'm gonna be glue sticking over here. We're gonna glue stick this to this. Okay, so far, oh my God, this is going great. Look at this. I'm gonna be the belle of the ball. Do you like it so far?
No.
What? Come on.
Gross.
No, what do you mean it's gross? It's just lingerie and a hat.
It's just gross.
Look, if it's raining outside, I can capture you guys from the rain. It looked like a southern belle. This is gonna be so great. Just put in this beautiful bird. It's a great attachment. I gotta glue it down. It's gorgeous. Colton's over it. Okay, so I've added some pine cones. So there's the bird, and there's my breasts, and a little bit of pine cone. How about yours, Colton? Show everybody yours. How are you doing so far? Wow, we look amazing. This is a masterpiece, coming together well. This is a nice little pear hung with a ribbon. We got some nice pine cones to fill out the breasts. Here is a beautiful crow. Ryan is afraid of crows. I got this for him for Halloween one year, and it's becoming of a different purpose. If you require any hats to be made, please give me a call. I'd be happy to.
Have you ever made a hat that looks like this?
Whoa, your hat's epic.
It's a boy's hat. It had Lego, it had Minions.
This is the way we make our hats early in the morning. And we're complete. Woo! There we go. Got this beautiful hat. Listen, let me show you guys. This extreme, beautiful artwork. It's unbelievable. I think this is the best thing I've ever made. Never mind hat. What do you think, Gussie? Do you like my hat?
What's this?
What? You don't like my hat? I'm all set for brunch tomorrow. Thanks again, everyone, for tuning in for another arts and crafts, very informative session by kellyJOYrust. Oh yes, I would love a cup of tea. Oh, hello, Poppy. Oh, look at my new hat, made out of lingerie and crows. Jagger, what happened to your hat? I thought we were doing arts and crafts. Come here. Why are you so dirty? Where have you been? Well, you smell like poop, so let's go change your butt.